This video will show you how to use your document processing screen in GDP so that you complete the problems in the lessons. And this one happens to be lesson 25. It's correspondence 25-2 from page 86 in your textbook. The first step, it says to download the file to begin work. These problems are going to require that you have Microsoft Word installed, and when you hit that Start from Scratch button, that it will open a blank document. So when you hit the Start from Scratch button, it will ask you to save it. I'm going to save it on my PC under Documents. So I just saved that blank document, and then I can open it, and it will be a blank. I need, in my case, to enable editing. And then you enter the text shown in your book. I'm going to do that quickly just so I can show it to you. And I do have some errors so that you're going to see how that editing problem works also. So now that I have it entered, I want to save it. And I already know where I want to where I had initially saved it, so I just use my shortcut and save. Go back to your GDP, and now step 2, upload and save the file. So I'm going to upload, I'm going to find that problem. I'm going to open it. It's submitting, and then I can hit that submit work button. And what it will do now is show me my errors. You'll notice my omission error here because I didn't enter twice after the initial lines. Joan, it must be spelled wrong. It's supposed to be John. And the Sanchez at Brightway Net needs to be a email address. So if I hit OK, it'll close it. Now what I want to do is go to Edit Existing Work, and it will reopen that problem for me so that I can make corrections on it. So in other words, I'm going to go through, and I would need to put another enter in here and another enter in here, another enter here. The other thing you want to check is just for your own information, if I set the show hide button on, it will show me where my enters are with those paragraph marks. So sometimes you might want to work with that on. I know sometimes it's distracting, but it'll show you where your extra spaces are, and sometimes those are the errors. So they don't print, so you can just go ahead and resave. Go back to GDP. Number 2, upload and save. Find that same one and submit again and see if you got rid of some of your errors. Looks like I opened the same one, so I've got the same errors I had before. Sorry about that, but this is the way the process works so that you can go back and forth and edit your errors.